if one of them got brought,
Oh, yeah, sure. If you want to turn one of these one.
that way people can sort of know what it is. And
Yeah, okay, one of you can finally turn them around. Thank you.
What's that?
I look all of them. It's especially the flower one.
That's pretty flowery.
Oh!
Thanks hard.
That doesn't bring them
Just-
up.
Yeah, just tear it in half. That's good. Did you hear that? We had a sale.
Oh,
John Petcock.
oh, well done.
Yeah.
Oh, you were hanging it?
Oh,
Well,
they
shortly
said,
after I hung it.
you know who the person is? Do you know?
Yeah, he's the owner of the Lennox Gallery.
Practically while she was hanging it.
Maybe I can ask Martina.
But wasn't that hanging in the Lennox when we had a show? She had all her birds up too.
These are new. the
Oh,
puffins.
these are new ones? Okay.
Yeah, she had other birdie ones.
I love the Doras. They're adorable.
It's some of our favorites too.
Jack approves.
Yeah. For George's address, as callback. Yeah, I know.
Didn't work in peace.
Okay.
So, a goal day, I suppose it's inspired great, like never before, like, for so many years. I just hope it's a little bit more.
Oh, no, I see, I understand. Well, look.
I know what you mean. Sometimes
So I get mad.
Sometimes a little bit of manic stuff, but that's not a bad thing. But
First day out of bed, and it's nice to see people again, so it's.
yeah, are you just happy or?
Yeah,
I know what you mean. I know what you mean.
Yeah, you're up for.
Yeah, and
you're up
back
for
in
shifts
the,
after a while.
I wasn't expecting those same times to see my
Nope,
team there.
15 a day, sure. 15 a morning,
So
whatever.
it was
Sure.
nice to see you.
That's, thank you very much.
Yeah, it's just that,
I'm so glad to hear that.
You should see me in a week and a half.
give me,
Probably why I said that.
Maybe things are going a little bad for her right now.
and this is John.
She was looking really good, she was looking really happy.
That's great.
Long time no see.
Well, I have to go to work now.
Oh, okay, well, Marge was telling me that Steve got barred.
Yes,
Yeah.
I was there
40 inches.
when part of it happened. I didn't see what started it, but I saw it the second part.
I'm not
So-
going for drugs.
No, I think.
5
Hi,
years.
Naomi. I'm just doing.
No, no, this was good for a short time.
Steve said this was good, because I asked him, because he was really pissed off. So I said to him, well, is this just for a week or two or something? And
Oh, yeah,
he says- and she said, no, it's good. I said, it was for a week or two.
No, we had
He said,
too many
"It's
submissions, so I still have a few back in the studio if you want to pick it up.
But it's,
See, oh, there, okay. Debbie did it too.
Then I go to St. John's today, Martine was there.
I'm sorry, Claire.
You've sold already.
I'm really sorry you were the first one, and the first one has to go through the
I was
banking mill.
asking, Christina, that's what I was just asking.
Congratulations, Claire.
Thank you.
Yeah. Mr. Lennox Gallery, when was that one here? John Petcock.
It didn't cost.
I was asking about the collecting Claire Mercer.
Collecting Claire's, actually, that's
Say anything else?
that's actually great, it's easier to sell than this your Lennox is blind.
Yeah, 5 euro.
Why, yeah.
I mean, it's one thing when he buys it in his studio, when he comes to another
Oh,
place
it's nice to
and
see.
buys it.
Hi,
You can talk about, asking if you could have the hard bottle.
Yeah, the ones in the box, yeah.
That's to be your patron.
I sold you at the art show, right?
Puppet,
At the art show.
Oh, two of those.
Yeah, and
Well,
our team bought one, a friend of mine bought one.
That's fine, Claire, that's fine, Claire.
That's all I need to tell them.
what is it there?
Well, I gotta run.
Game. You up for this? For the game?
And then I put lemons on the bristle.
Doesn't matter to me.
Or whatever you call
I
it.
don't see why not. Debbie also.
Okay, good luck on the,
I still have
what
the.
is steakhouse?
Yeah. I had a boss one time, she was really, really.
Will she run?
Okay.
She was doing it on paper, then I came up front of me, I know it. That doesn't crayons, that's the crayons.
Ginger ale?
Sure, why not, go wild.
Congratulations, thank you.
Thank you, Claire. You just sold, girl.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What I'm talking about is the
This
way
is
to do
great.
that, right?
It's good. I'm happy for you.
Oh, okay. I thought you were being polite to,
You're gonna stick around.
because you were on, because you were working.
Tom, where's your piece?
Rob, there's one there.
Okay, that's true.
I'll let it find the other one.
Oh.
They're there.
Are you serious? Mr. Lennox is going through this right there. He is always complimenting my lab. I hope he doesn't think I'm gonna die soon.
Maybe that you get some extra money and you got
Yeah,
some.
he's always got
Yeah.
something,
It worked out. I was thinking I'd be on the street
To say?
coming over here. Then your thing's
and
sold.
say.
I mean, we.
So how's was alright yesterday?
Look very well.
He used to be my neighbor
How's your day?
up in Portugal here, and they sold their house recently.
So what, where were
The
you?
wife and the two kids moved in with their mother.
That's a bloody bus.
He
We
said,
had three awesome kids coming.
And
Northbound, and then finally, it seemed like the southbound was actually northbound. And so,
You can go to.
I'm not happy with them at all.
Stay here before you move
They gave her a
on.
text today.
Well, the news said that there's a big action bus. They had about 4 buses northbound, one of them actually parking in the southbound lane
Tough day today.
before they actually
I
had.
was
So
tired.
I was waiting over half an hour.
Being
Which bus
tired.
were you, which buses were you leaving? For what number?
Sometimes it's-
Number 63 southbound.
Love this one. That's nice. Yeah.
Well, the one who actually parked in the southbound place said they were late. I actually viewed a whole lot of
I
reviews.
had him up for after just 2 weeks ago. He just whips them out of nowhere like that, eh?
Yeah, it's really fast.
I wish I was like that. Yeah. I wish I was like that. Wow. So good.
You've got another one too?
Just the other day.
Well, people seem to like and appreciate
Well, Jen and I did well at the
but they
art
don't want
show.
to buy a parent. So